The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. I'm struggling to carry this bag right here because we are going to a river. I'm gonna wash my hair and bathe. Y'all already seen a vlog like that. So I'm gonna reach way up the road. Yeah, I didn't have these. Turn it on. Turn it all the way up. I definitely didn't have these privileges when I was his age. I swear, boy, Pitney get treated so differently from girls, kids. But anyway, with a madman I come here so. Where vehicle one? Where vehicle one?
Look at the one, yeah. I'm pushing.
I wanna love, 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 love. Every day and every night, every night.
She's waiting on me. Guys, the flag are two hills and valleys and mountains and plains. Listen, I'm just walking the water and call it a day. I'm not even going to try to play hero like one. Guys, so we just passed the bottom side of the river. Now we'll go up at top.
Everybody cups up. Everybody fucked up. For the girl my God loves. If you know what I mean.
Just got to the river. We're walking up to the top because people are down the bottom washing clothes. So it's not the most ideal spot. So we're going up to the top. Apparently it's not a lot of people up here. And up here is a little bit deeper. River gets shallow though. River get shallow for true. There's somebody over there start cook. Guys, when I was a kid, this joint used to be really, really deep. Where the water down there, sir? Man, come. Come in and jump. Put your mother hands up. Girl, you know about doing them. Kind of sexiness over the store. Oh God. In the pool party, it's forever. If you don't wanna, pretty girls at the pool all day. Beach balls with the ladies. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know.
If you care, we have out the side.
Mr. Them man ready. Watch it. When you drop them play in that truck, yeah. When you drop them play in that truck.
Just for that boy. Dog, they were the dog that can sit on your shoe, they just a little panic action.
One time one of them broke off, you know.
Alrighty.
We can get the deeper part, man. Oh, nice, man.
So they fuck.
Go play up and you radio then, no?
So guys, chapter on a look bit. So guys, we left that river just now because apparently it's too shallow for them to jump off. I was just fine. But we know we're going to Reach Falls. Y'all seen it in a vlog before where I went with my cousin and they go up there and cook. We're trying to do a part 2 with that one day. But yeah, we're driving to Reach. Close to Reach Falls. I know a lot of people might be familiar with Reach Falls, but it's not necessarily Reach Falls. So I still can go up there and bathe. I don't know about washing my hair though. I'll probably just still do that when I get home later. Even though my bathe, that's something I know I'm gonna go and go bathe. The sun. Anyway, DJ shop on the aux card. Lego. Half white full it back. Tune DJ shop. Pull that up, DJ shop. Pull that up. Watch me at the money with me. Oh guys, we almost crushed the little kitty cat. Oh, look at him. So cute. Get out the way, boo. Come on. We almost hit it. But him not moving, just a ball. Oh, so cute. You know what I move?
No, man, I'm busy. Yeah, do all over here.
Go over. Sing it up there now. I don't like killing animals no matter what they are. I mean, lucky we are look. Oh man. All if I meet that drive dead bird. Alright, back on the road. We reach one part and then I walk. I don't know where we walk go. The last time I came here we walked down there so apparently there's a new path. I'm not lying, I'm tired already. You know, my family look Magnum. Hey boo. My family look Magnum. I go and sip and I walk. So yeah. As the shortcut start and I'm scared. I reapplied.
Yo. Where are we going, sir?
That's what I'm wondering. Chef, can take your bag?
Give me a bag. Let me get you. Yo. Yo, come with this boy.
I'm coming down barefoot. Because they're kind of slippery.
My head up. I'll move.
Alright, go on. What the hell?
My slide. Just try to put the foot on this. Sliding boss. Yeah, we don't be put on back a slippers. You put on back?
Yeah.
For this.
Guys, I'm hiking. Nothing like that. So guys, we reached. I don't know how much footage I can pull because it's raining and I'm not gonna have the camera out while it's raining. It's a little bearable right now, but it's gonna come down for sure. I just climbed through hills and valleys over there, so all the pin that's where I come from. Sweating like I went hiking, but nonetheless we made it. But it's not real, like I said. So I'm going to know how long I have to put the camera.
What put? Really put, man. Put him on that deep. You can't take out your shirt, man. Alright, deep.
I'm just as always not come here first.
Give some people, make him give some people.
Go on, babe.
One is up on stone.
You're gonna go.
How much up? We're gonna put them in. I told my God. Then if you call me, I go.
Same. Guys, it's coming down, so I'm gonna have to unfortunately stop the vlog here. I'm trying to get them jumping, but they're not trying to jump. Okay. So guys, I didn't bring my camera all the way. The rain did stop, so we came at another location. Like, not another location, it's right up from where we were. Alright, ready and ready, boss. Hey. So guys, them swim gone left me, as you can see. So let me just say, we came up, where we were just now when the rain was falling was right down there, so we walked up this way. I'm not going in here. I can swim, y'all, but I'm very coward, so I'm not even trying. So right now I'm standing on a rock in the water, so even if I step out there, it's really deep, so I'm not even going to try it. But they just swim up there, and I'm just chilling right here. So my bonnet is wet because the rain was falling. Stuff was falling in my eyes. My eyelashes are falling out like shit, and I still got time down here. So either I find somewhere to fill them, or I just pick them out, or wait till they fall out. Luckily, I think I did bring some lashes just in case. So. But anyway, the boys them are gonna do some like skill jumping and things.
I wanna love. Every day and every night. Is this love that I'm feeling? 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 I wanna know.
Let me say